What's up everyone? My name's Liz and welcome to the Grillslingers bar. It's a magical place and today I have an awesome drink for you. It's light, refreshing, perfect for summer. I like to call it a Cali Mule. Alright, let's make this bad boy. Yep, that is so good. Fresh citrus with that ginger goes so well with the whiskey, and Blinking Owl Whiskey is one of my favorites. They're a local craft distillery right here in Southern California. You guys should really check them out. And because National Craft Distillery Day is right around the corner, we wanted to celebrate by sharing this whiskey with you guys. Anyways, thanks for hanging out everyone. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to check out some of our other videos as well. I'm Liz with Grillslingers, and cheers. We'll see you soon.